Hey, what's up guys, it's me WHYnotBrix. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install Jumpforce Mugen on your PC. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, click that notification bell so that you're always updated, and let's get started.
I won't stop till the end, no.
Open your Google Chrome, then search giegos.com. This is the main site of Jumpforce Mugen. Go to the bottom of this page, you can see the download links in Mediafire or Google Drive. Click Mediafire. This, as you can see, the latest public games from Mugen. And if you want to patch your game from version 11 to version 12, download the patcher. Later, I will do the patch. You need to download these 1 to 4 parts to avoid errors. I recommend to download IDM, Internet Download Manager, to make your download fast. Download one by one and just click download. Here, I already downloaded in my computer. The first step is to select 1 to 4 parts, then extract 2. I need to delete this. So after you extract, the size file should be 66 GB plus. Then you can delete the RAR files if you want. Now open the folder, then run the Jumpforce Mugen.exe. Alright, it's open. And then to patch your game, I will do it. Right, I already download. So you need to extract this. Download first, and then extract 2. Then after the extract, open the file in the folder, then copy all this to the main folder of Jumpforce Mugen. Then replace all. Okay. Then play the game. Just run. Double click and just wait. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated to my new videos. Thanks for watching, bro. So watch this, the gameplay.
Level 3! Talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to